Yeah, this is Ramana Raju. I am heading marketing for PEPS Pennar Engineered Building Systems, and we are a subsidiary of Pennar Group, Pennar Industries Limited. And we are actually started in 2009, and we slowly grown in commercial operations in 2010. Now we are aiming to reach to 50 crores in this financial year, which is likely to be completed in March 2012. And we wanted to reach 500 crores level in coming 2 years. Initially, our strategy was to target the existing business, whatever is there for the PEB. As we are all experienced from PEB background in our company, so we targeted the existing business. Now slowly we are expanding ourselves to the new markets like multi-story structures, structural steel, and different other segments like oil and gas and automotive. We are already there, but we are expanding further in that segment, and logistics and warehousing. We are working with a lot of landmark projects like 99 meters clear span buildings with Ultratech Cements. And we are one of the preferred vendor for Ultratech Cements. All their projects we are continuously doing as of now, and we are also preferred vendor for Larsen & Toubro, L&T, and Hindustan Construction. So we partnered with them for their upcoming projects. We are supporting them for all their pre-engineered steel buildings requirement and structural steel requirements. These are called multi-story segments. Presently, the multi-story segment in India, because of the cheap labor availability and easy concrete availability, we are still preferring concrete buildings. But going forward, if you see the developed countries, they are already migrated to the steel buildings. So in India, slowly it is catching up because due to the labor problems and other maintenance issues. So steel buildings are more flexible, more earthquake resisting. So that's where this concept is catching up slowly. Over a period of 3 to 4 years, we are sure that and we are confident that this market will go up, and we are giving like a superstructure with a beams, deck panels on every floor, and we can design to any kind of loading and any kind of requirements. More than one is cost, second is time. Mainly time is more important than cost at this point of time for certain segments like commercial buildings and all, where you can complete the buildings within you can save the time of 40%, so you can occupy the building much faster, and definitely the revenue, if you calculate by virtue of the faster occupation, you will be definitely saving lot of time, and that time again comes into the monetary terms. You will be saving a huge cost by end of the occupational time. It is 100% by virtue of our technical collaboration with NCA Building Systems. We got this patented product called Double Lock, which is 100% leak proof. There is no fastener from the top. The main leakage happens from the steel building seats, from the screws. In this particular system, there are no fasteners, there is no piercing from the top, hence it is 100% leak proof system. Concept is also catching up in India, though it is slightly expensive at this point of time. But if you take the overall project cost and the incremental benefits we have with this Double Lock, definitely customers are going to get accustomed to this and will prefer going forward.